This video will walk you through troubleshooting an F89 error on a SmartPAC PRO integrated with a WPC2000 system. F89 and other 80s series faults are all timing faults, either due to the overrun sensor not turning on at all, or due to one or more timing flags overlapping. The auto carry-up flag, the mute limit flag, the top stop flag, and the overrun sensor flag. First, we will find your current settings involved in timing. You must find your option switch 1 and 2 settings. Afterwards, we will find your top stop angle and your overrun on and off angles. In order to find your option switch 1 and 2 settings, first, put the Program/Run switch to Program. Next, select the Initialization menu button. Then, select the Press Control button. Lastly, select Press Options. This screen shows your 8 option switches. Here you will record the settings for switches 1 and 2. Next, we will find your current top stop angle. With Program/Run switch in the Run mode and the Stroke Select switch in Inch mode, select the Press Control menu item. Then, locate your top stop angle and record the current setting. Lastly, we will find your current overrun angles. To find your overrun on and off angles, have the Mode Select switch in Run mode and the Stroke Select switch in the Inch mode. While in the Run mode, stroke the press around one time. Then, in the Run menu, select the Press Control menu item. On the next screen, which shows your top stop angle, select the Show Overrun Angles button on the right side of the screen. A window will pop up in the middle of the screen, showing your current overrun on and off angles. Record the current on and off angles as well as anything else shown in the pop-up window, as it may be useful info to have as well. Once you have your timing parameters, you then use the table below from the SmartPAC PRO/WPC2000 user manual to find the correct mounting angle for your overrun sensor magnet. For example, you found that your top stop on angle is 340 degrees, which falls in the greater than 301 degrees column from the table. The correct mounting angle for the overrun sensor magnet would then be 359 degrees. Finally, after your top stop angle and option switches are set correctly, inch the press to the target overrun angle and center your actuator magnet under the magnetic switch. Be sure to leave at least a 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch gap between the magnet and the sensor. To verify that your overrun sensor is working, you can check the green LED in group 6 on the processor board and verify it turns on when the blue magnet is in front of the sensor. Some common causes of the LED not turning on are listed here. After your magnet and sensor are set, stroke the press in Inch and see if the press makes a full cycle without stopping. If so, then turn Stroke Select switch to Single Stroke and try to cycle the press. You should be able to get a full cycle without any timing faults. Then, try Continuous. For further assistance troubleshooting this or other fault codes, please call 800-586-8324 and select option 2 for technical support, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Time.